This is our microwave now. You can see this is Kenwood. What's one model? The lice work, so you can see the line. You can see everything's taken out. So plastic. Wrong number. Can't see that. Wrong number. What's a wrong number? Can't see. It's wrong number. You can see. Model, you can see model K25MSS11. You can see, I might go there. Yes, it's there. No clock. Just gonna try it out with this power. Pass it. I've got power. Got extra coconut. Okay. Yeah. Just gonna stop there. The microwave don't work, so you can see. The clock. It's starting down there near the clock bell, so leave it. Just gonna try it one more time. Okay, it's gonna. There's nothing there, so it exists. Take it out now, so. Okay, that's it for this one. It's a microwave now, Kenwood. It's been there for like years now. And the other microwave is in the kitchen now, so we'll see it in a minute, so yeah. I'll probably some potato or anything. It's there. Mashed potatoes, it goes in there, and then yeah. But she uses a lot, so she uses for like years now. So if first express can if none of that happens, express can just gonna the microwave here. Stop it. A pizza. That's it. That's it for the camera now. So you said for like this year, but she uses this for like almost many years now. So the Kenwood microwave is being used. What to say? All the years. Used to like for years now. So yeah, that's it. Cool.